Hi, my name is Seun Digital. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new on this channel, I just want to say thank you for coming. Thank you for clicking on this video to know what this channel is all about. This channel, I provide you information on how to make money online and tools that can help you to grow your business online. Great friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, I just want to say thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now, if you have not subscribed on this channel, I want to encourage you to do so because I always drop videos that will help us all to be a successful person online and to also make money online. I mean, tools that can also help you to grow your business online. Now, if you've not subscribed, click on the subscribe button and also don't forget to click on the bell because it's very important. It's very, very important. Now, once you do that, now you want to go down and comment. This is how you do it. Click on this one, but I've already subscribed, so you cancel. You just click on it and subscribe. Click on this one and click all. So let's go to this game of the day, which I have before you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get emails for free. Now this is the second part of the how to get free email on Google. I've showed you the previous one. I'm going to drop the link in the description section of this video where you can see the previous video, and this is the second part which I promised you guys I'm going to drop soon. Now I'm dropping it. So, and if you're coming, I mean you're a friend already, you're just coming to check on my video again, I say thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Now, how do we get email on Google? Now I'm going to be showing you step by step. I don't want to skip anything from this video. It's very important. If you skip anything, you miss it all. So I want you to stay focused to the end of the video. All right, now the first thing you want to do, you want to search for something called Google CSE. Then the first one, which is cse.google.com, you're going to click on that. So once you click on that, I want to set up something, our own custom. It's called custom search engine. That's CSE, custom search engine. You want to create our own custom search engine. I have one here already. I have two here already. So you want to click on add. But if you're just doing it for the first time, you're not going to see anything here. So I want to click on add, then click on. Now you're going to be making use of those platforms, those social media platforms that you know, like Facebook.com. Then you want to make use of Facebook.com, Instagram, I want to do Twitter. Let's go. Then you want to say like maybe Quora or something like that. Okay, I'm gonna do something like this also. I'm gonna do Quora.com. Sorry about that. I'll click Quora.com. Okay. Then you want to do Reddit.com, if I get it right. Then you want to do pin.com. So you want to leave it with this. You can, if you have more, you can add it to them. Then the next thing you want to do, you want to click on create. But before you click on create, you want to put the name here. So I want to say social media. I just want to call it social media email generator. Okay, click on create. Now the next thing you want to do now is let it go. Now you're gonna click on publish URL. Oh, I think I have error here because maybe there's one link there that is not correct. So I'll click it again, just refresh it. Now here is what we're gonna be using. Anything we search here, it will give us email on Facebook, email that related to Facebook, that related to Quora, that related to Reddit, that related to Instagram, everything that we've mentioned, Pinterest, all of those things. So how do we search here? We search by, let's say, digital marketing at gmail.com. I'm looking for digital marketing. Okay, let's put in Nigeria, so that you get people based on your country. In Nigeria, I think I made a mistake. Let me put space. In Nigeria. Then once you get this one, you see this one is on Quora. This person is on Quora. This person is, you can see Quora here. You can see Quora here. This person is Pioneer. This is from Twitter, and this is the email address. And this is from Facebook. So this is how you get them. So what you need to do now, let's hold it here. Then the next thing you want to do, you want to come here and type this light 14.us, light 14.us, light 14.us. Like, let me write it again. Light 14.us. I'm gonna drop the link in the description section, so don't bother your head too much. So when I say light 14.us, then this is what you get once you do that. So let it load. Oh, my network is a bit slow. I'm so sorry about that. So light 14.us, let's wait for that. Now let's come back here. What you need to do here, once you search for email you like, just click anywhere, then click on Control A and click around here. Control A to highlight everything, then Control C to copy. If you are using a Mac, Command C to copy. Then you're coming here. This is still loading. Why is it slow like this? Okay, it's still loading. So just want to show you very briefly. Please don't skip anything. It's very important. If you skip, you miss it. Now, if you've not subscribed on this channel, click on the subscribe button. If you like this kind of video I'm making, I'm releasing for you guys, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell so that you will be the first person to know whenever I'm dropping the next one. So guys, I want you to keep your eye open on this one. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description button, the link to the to the website, to this website, so that you can achieve this also. Now if you once your system is loaded, you miss some text here, you can delete them, then paste whatever you've copied from here, you paste it here. Then here you click on this comma, you click on new line, then click extract. Here we have the email. And you see that? Copy, then open whatever where you want to paste them. Okay, you can just open one new Excel file. Open new Excel file. Like, let me open new Excel file. You get it? So just paste it here. Okay, so if I go back there, okay, I can go back here again. Then what I need to do is click on the second, number 2. Once I get to number 2, these are people in Nigeria. If you want to do Ghana, digital marketing in Ghana at gmail.com. It's going to give you a breakdown of people using Gmail. Control C or Command C, then click here, paste it here. Line is already new line, then click extract. Can you see? Highlight it and copy it and paste it in your Excel sheet. Okay, not this one, your Excel sheet, paste it there. I think it's this one. Okay, you can see I'm just getting them. So you want to do the same thing till you get to the end, which is number 10. To get to the end. So that's what you need to do. Once you do this, you also right click, mark everything, Control A, then come over here, Control V to paste, then copy, Control A, Control C to copy and paste, and drop it
go back. I mean, this is wonderful. Control number 4. Number 4. So if you have not subscribed, can you do so and drop your comment in this comment section? Let's see, and let me know your question. And if you don't have any question, just say let's keep the email going. Let's keep the email going. It's very important. Drop that message. Drop it there once I will even reply immediately. Let's keep the email going. So let's keep the email going. So my network is just dead. I don't know, this morning it's not really good. So that's how you just continue. Once you're done to number 10, what you need to do is come over here, start your web, determine your kind of job you're doing. Kind of job will determine the kind of email you need for your job or for your business. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video to this part. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. I'm so glad about it. Thank you so much. If you're new, thank you. If you're a returning friend, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm gonna be having a training very soon. If you are interested, you want to join this training, 7 businesses you can do online that will bring you income. Weekly income. 7 legit businesses you can do that will give you income, weekly income. If you want to learn that, just click on the link. I'll be dropping the link in the description box, so that we'll meet in the class and I will show you all the 7 businesses. All right guys, thank you so much for coming. I do appreciate it. Bye for now.